Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about ways to tighten your vagina. Ways to tighten your vagina. So guys, I'm requesting you, if you're bumping into this video for the first time and you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, like the video, share, comment. Don't forget to turn your notification bell so that every time I post a video you will be the first person to be notified. So the big question of today, or the big topic of today, is how can someone tighten her vagina, and is loose vagina permanent, and what are the factors that can contribute to loose vagina? So guys, make sure you watch this video up to the end. Let's get into the video. Is a loose vagina permanent? Okay, let me say this. Vaginal health is surrounded by a lot of myths and misconceptions. Vaginal elasticity is one of such common topic that is not talked about, and lots of it is not talked about because, you know, we have some cultures that don't allow people to talk about things related to reproductive organs, or things related to reproductive system, and also some religions are opposing this topic. So it is surrounded with a lot of myths and misconceptions, such that people do not concentrate on talking about vaginal health. So you get that some people believe vagina looseness or elasticity is forever, and this is not true at all. I'm here to tell you this is not true at all. So there are various things that you can try to tighten it. Yeah, there are various things that you can try to tighten it, but I want to say, and I want to warn you, that don't try putting things on your vagina so that it can get tight. We have a lot of ways, natural ways, that you can try to use, and then it will get tight. So I want to say that your vagina is elastic and can stretch or shrink to accommodate situation. Some events in your life, like pregnancy, affect your vaginal elasticity or stretchability, but like any other muscles, they are good at expanding and retracting. So nothing will cause your vagina to become loose permanently. Yes, nothing will cause your vagina to become loose permanently, but in real sense we have some factors like that can contribute to, or can make your vagina to stretch or retract to accommodate situation. And those situations, we have said that things like pregnancy. So we have some factors, also related factors, that can make your vagina to lose over the period of time. And number one is age. With age, if you're getting old, or if you're now becoming an old mother, muscles and tendons in your pelvic floor become weak, and this can result in loose vagina. You may even experience leakage of urine, pelvic pain, and also pain during sex, just because of age. With age, you know, some of the things get loose, tendons and muscles, collagens get weak, loose, and sometimes they can be reconstructed. Another factor is a childbirth. When you get pregnant, your body is pushing to its limit to accommodate growing child, and during childbirth, the muscle along with the vaginal canal expand to make room for the baby to pass. So this can weaken the walls and result to loose vagina. But with the time, if you will perform things that I'm going to tell you, you will have your vaginal bag in its shape. Other things that also can cause loosening of the vaginal are multiple childbirth. If you're giving birth 20 times, 10 times, this one can increase the risk factors, or it can increase chances of getting loose vagina. Also trauma, maybe if you have a surgery, or maybe during your childbirth you had maybe third or fourth degree tear, and that was not repaired. This one can also cause this problem. Also, health condition or menopause are also responsible for loosening the vagina because of the hormones. And also, of course, when you are approaching menopause, you know you are you're doing what? Hormones are not effective, and also the muscles, tendons tend to get weak. So another big question that I'm going to answer is that, can your vagina get loose from having too much sex? The answer is no. Having it or not having it will not cause any change. It is a myth and misconception that people do believe that too much sex can cause looseness, can result in loose vagina. It is not true. Whether you have it or you don't have it, it will remain on that shape and size. So let us look at, because we were supposed to look at ways of tightening your vagina. So before that, let us look at the benefits of vaginal tightening. So it helps improve symptoms of vaginal atrophy, and many women face the issues of vaginal dryness, and this can also be solved through vaginal tightening. So it also improves symptoms of stress related to urine incontinence, and also it brings satisfaction during an intercourse. Yeah, it brings satisfaction during intercourse, and also help the woman to have high self-esteem. Yes, to have high self-esteem. And also vaginal tightening decrease friction during intercourse and reduce any pain. So let us look at some of the ways on how you can tighten your vagina. If you want to take care to take certain steps towards vaginal tightening and strengthening your vaginal muscles, there is nothing better than exercise. Kegel exercise, number one. Some exercise specifically help to just to stretch the muscles and the pelvic muscles, but Kegel exercise is the best. So number one, we are going to look at a Kegel exercise. So if you're wondering how to tighten your vagina naturally, then Kegel exercise are the best. The pelvic floor support the uterus, the bladder, the small intestine, the rectum, and the Kegel exercises are used to strengthen the pelvic muscles. To engage in Kegel exercise, you need first to identify pelvic floor muscles, and Kegel exercise involve clenching and releasing of these muscles to build strength, which aid in vaginal exercise. Yeah, that is what Kegel exercise does. The second thing that you have to do is pelvic tilt exercise. Pelvic tilt exercise. Pelvic tilt exercise. Pelvic tilt exercise is done for vaginal tightening as well as strengthening strengthening the abdominal muscles. To perform this, you have to stand with shoulder. You have to stand with shoulder and buttocks against the wall. Yes, and then you pull the belly. You pull the belly button towards your spine. You have to tighten your belly for at least 4 to 5 seconds and before you release it, or before you release them. We have squats exercise. During squat along with Kegel exercise is a great way. Okay, during doing this squat exercise along with Kegel exercise is a great way to tone your pelvic area and tighten your vaginal muscles. To do this, you have to stand with stretched legs and hips turn out, then lower yourself as if sitting on a bench, and then repeat this procedure several times. I think you have gotten what I'm trying to say. You you do squat exercise several times with the Kegel exercise is when you will get best results. And the second last exercise is raise your leg, that is legs up exercise, and this process or this procedure you do by raising your legs against the wall. It is an excellent exercise to tighten the vagina and develop pelvic muscles strength. You can perform this exercise in the morning before leaving the bed. Yes, yeah. And the last exercise is yoga exercise. Most of you, you know how yoga exercise is done. The contraction and the expansion of the pelvic floor muscles are assisted by the yoga. So you can practice tilts, anas, do so many yoga exercise, and this will help you to tighten the vagina and also pelvic floor. Yeah, so I think I have reached the end of this video. So if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Bye till next time.